Hello, assalamu alaikum my dear friends. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss our next topic, that is the concentration of a solution. In the previous lecture we discussed about the classification of colloids, where we learned about the 8 types of colloids which are classified according to the physical state of dispersed phase and dispersion medium. Let's come to today's topic, that is the concentration of a solution. As already discussed in the previous lectures, that a solution is a homogeneous mixture. A solution is a homogeneous mixture. It is also called a true solution. Homogeneous mixture, and it is also called a true solution. As we know that a true solution is made up of 2 or more than 2 substances, and the substances which form a true solution are referred to as solute and solvent. Solute and solvent. Solute is a component which is present in small amount in a solution, and solvent is a component which is present in large amount in a solution. Now let us consider 2 solutions having the same amount of solvent but different amount of solute. We have 2 solutions. We will consider 2 solutions with same amount of solvent, but different amount of solute. Let us suppose we have 2 beakers. Let's name these beakers A and B. In a beaker A, let's suppose we have 100 ml water. In a beaker B, we have same amount, that is we have again 100 ml water. So here in these 2 beakers we have same amount of solvent. Suppose in a beaker A there is a less amount of solute present. In a beaker A, suppose we have less amount of solute present, and in a beaker B, let us suppose we have large amount of solute present. Now what we have 2 solutions with same amount of solvent but different solute. In a solution A we have less amount of solute, and in a solution B we have large amount of solute. The solution having less amount of solute is said to be less concentrated. It is less concentrated. And it is also called dilute solution. It is also called dilute solution. And the solution B, where we have large amount of solute present, is said to have high concentration. It is also called concentrated solution. It is highly concentrated as compared to solution A, concentrated solution. Why? Because in the solution B we have large amount of solute present as compared to A. That is why we say the solution B is more concentrated as compared to solution A. And solution A is also called dilute solution because we have least amount of solute present in solution A. So the concentration of the solution is the amount of solute present in a given quantity of a solution. So let me write it down. The concentration of a solution is defined as the amount of solute present in a given quantity of a solution, To know more about the solutions, let's make an energy drink of lemon flavored glucose. For that, I have a beaker containing water. I have also the lemon flavored glucose powder. Let's add a half spoon of lemon flavored glucose powder to a beaker containing water. It tastes just like a water. I have another beaker containing the same amount of water. Now I will add 2 spoons of glucose powder. It will be definitely stronger than the first glass. This is perfect for me, and this is stronger than the first glass. Now I have a third beaker containing the same amount of water. This time I will add 4 spoons of glucose powder. This is super strong and I would not prefer to drink this. Now what we have 3 different solutions, all taste differently because we have different amount of glucose powder mixed with same amount of water, and this results in different strengths of a solution, and the strength of solution is also known as the concentration of a solution. So if we consider the first glass, we have small amount of solute dissolved in it, so it has least concentration. And if we consider the third glass, we have the maximum amount of glucose powder dissolved in it, so it is highly concentrated as compared to the first solution. In another words, we can say that the solution first or the glass first, where we have least amount of glucose powder dissolved in it, is more dilute, and the third solution, where we have maximum amount of glucose powder, is least dilute. So dilution and concentration are thus opposite effects. Dilution and concentration are opposite effects. Because when we increase the concentration, the dilution decreases. When we decrease the dilution, the concentration increases. Suppose if we compare the first glass and the second glass, in the second glass we have more amount of glucose powder as compared to the first glass. So I can easily say that the second glass is more concentrated as compared to the first glass. Similarly, if we compare the third glass and the second glass, in the third glass we have more amount of solute present as compared to the second glass. So the third glass is more concentrated as compared to the second glass. If we see the dilution and the concentration are not absolute terms, the dilution and the concentration are not absolute terms, because the dilute solution implies that there is less amount of solute present in a solution, and the concentrated solution implies that there is large amount of solute present in a solution. But these terms, that is the dilution and concentration, does not give us the quantitative concentration of the solution. So Inshallah Rahman, in the next lecture we will learn how to express the quantitative concentration of a solution. Thank you.